Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Dodge Challenger car. We will explore the fascinating journey from initial concept to a finished vehicle. This process involves meticulous design, advanced engineering, and a highly efficient manufacturing line. Thousands of components come together, guided by both cutting-edge technology and expert human touch. Every step is crucial to producing a powerful and reliable muscle car, ready for the road. The journey begins with design and engineering, where the Challenger's iconic look takes shape. Designers craft its bold lines and spacious interior, drawing inspiration from classic muscle cars. Engineers then translate these visions into reality, selecting a robust platform and integrating powerful engines, like the 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi. Every curve and component is meticulously planned to ensure both stunning aesthetics and exhilarating performance. Once designed, the Challenger moves to the manufacturing plant for assembly. Robotic arms precisely weld thousands of steel panels to form the strong body structure. After a multi-stage painting process, the body receives its vibrant color and protective clear coat. Next, the powertrain, including the powerful engine and transmission, is carefully integrated. Finally, the interior, with its comfortable seating and advanced technology, is meticulously installed by skilled technicians. The final stages focus on rigorous quality control and preparing for delivery. Each Challenger undergoes hundreds of inspections, from visual checks to dynamic performance tests on a track. Engineers verify engine output, braking efficiency, and overall handling. Once every detail meets the stringent quality standards, the vehicles are meticulously cleaned and prepared for transport. Soon, these powerful machines will arrive at dealerships, ready for their new owners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.